Careful, you gotta walk. Not just fall. Whoa. Turn it this way. Whoa, careful, slow down. Woo! Got new shoes on. They help you walk, don't they? Especially outside. Here you go. Oh, you're gonna turn? You wanna go the other way? Go towards the house? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Henry. What are you doing? It's a pretty day, isn't it? You notice the grass? Oh, there's your doggies.